My name is Bryan. I'm a lead welder here at Gerard Daniel. I've worked for Gerard Daniel for 12 years. When I started working here, I started working on stainless steel, which is a little bit trickier than steel. So I kind of learned the hardest first, and then the easier came. I choose to become a welder because I think it's fun and cool how you can melt two pieces of metal together. The main responsibilities here are to lay a good weld and make sure everything is good when we send it out the door. I weld many different sizes here. Each one has a different setup procedure and thicknesses of metal. The thing I like most about working here is people, the environment. They're just fun and easy to get along with. Enjoy coming to work. The one thing I learned here at Gerard Daniels, every weld can and will be different. Here at Gerard Daniel, I believe I make a difference.